Welcome everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrumming Quick Designs, and today I want to invite you to the Holiday Cricut Craftfest. Now this is 38 free workshops to give you all kinds of projects for the holidays. I am offering a project that is the easy iron-on foil acrylic ornaments. It's going to be fun to make. Each day of the Cricut Craft Fest, there'll be different projects offered, and it's going to be a huge variety of projects. So day one, here's a sample of what we're going to be making on day one. On day two, we have completely different projects, and you'll notice there's a big variety from vinyl, iron-on, paper crafting, you name it. We're showing you how to make it. Now, day three, here's a sample of those projects. Now we will be doing step-by-step tutorials, so these projects are great for any skill level of Cricut user. Here's day 4 sample. That's when my class is going to be. And the projects are designed with step-by-step tutorials. You get the SVG file so you can create the same project that we have, and you can also, there's also supply lists. So if you want to make the same projects, you'll know what you need to do. Now this is put on by Abby Kirsten Collections, and there are 38 amazing Cricut teachers that are going to be showing you their projects. This is all online. Now here's a sample of some of the projects that we're going to be making. Look how fun these projects are. So there's a little bit of something of interest for everybody. So there's gifts and there's holiday decorating. And the great thing about this event is that it is 100% free. Yes, free 38 Cricut workshops. So, but you do have to have a ticket. So in the description of this video, I have a link for you to grab the free ticket. And then this workshop is done all online on a website. So you don't even have to be on Facebook or anything. You'll be able to take the Holiday Cricut Craft Fest. I sure hope you'll come join me, and you're going to have a lot of fun. It starts Monday, October the 3rd, for grab your ticket today.